Hi everyone, let's do a no contact situation reading. Let's see what do we have for you, and we will also check the union energies. Okay, it's going to be a short and crisp reading. I'll try to make it a bit short. So let's start. And this is going to be only and only for those, okay wait, जो बिल्कुल भी नो कॉन्टैक्ट जो बिल्कुल भी कॉन्टैक्ट में नहीं है. इट्स लाइक यू आर नॉट एट ऑल इन कॉन्टैक्ट विद दिस पर्सन फिजिकली. ओके, all right. Let's start with your energy. So we have 10 of cups, we have 7 of swords, we have the hermit, and we have emperor. To be very honest, I think you were very much into your feminine energy when it comes to this person. Okay, आपने अपनी complete feminine energy लेके आए हो. आप कहीं ना कहीं आप you have treated this person like a family. Okay, you have treated this person with a lot of love, but at the same time I feel, hold on, वन थिंग इज़ फॉर श्योर दैट नाउ योर एनर्जी सच जहाँ पे आप बहुत ज़्यादा अपनी मैस्कुलिन एनर्जी में आते हुए दिख रहे हो. ठीक है, कहीं ना कहीं आपको इस पर्सन से एक इस टाइप का डिसेप्शन मिला है बिकॉज समथिंग हैपेंड दैट यू थॉट नेवर that would never happen when it comes to this person. Okay, so either this person ghosted you, either this person left you. Okay, or for some I do feel that it can be something related to family also. Okay, they probably left your family, disrespected your family or something of that sort, and that is when your own spiritual journey began. Okay, I also feel, I think it was not about just spiritual energy. Basically it's more about कि वो जो भी एक वो पॉलिटिक्स वाली एनर्जी हुई ना आपके साथ, वो रनिंग वाली जो एनर्जी हुई, आई थिंक दैट मेड यू really disappointed. But this disappointment also led you to some kind of wisdom and maturity. ओके, एक मेच्योरिटी कहीं ना कहीं मुझे आपके अंदर दिख रही है. एक कहीं ना कहीं बहुत न्यूट्रल एनर्जी दिख रही है, बहुत बैलेंस्ड एनर्जी दिख रही है. सो यू ऑल्सो हैव काइंड ऑफ हील्ड योर मैस्कुलिन एनर्जी. जो पहले आपकी अनहील्ड मैस्कुलिन एनर्जी थी ना, उसके अंदर भी काफ़ी ज़्यादा चेंजेस आए हैं. सो इवन इफ़ यू आर इन नो कॉन्टैक्ट विद दिस पर्सन, ओके, और यू आर इन अ नो कॉन्टैक्ट सिचुएशन, आई थिंक दिस नो कॉन्टैक्ट थिंग हैड टू हैपन बिकॉज यू हैड टू लर्न सर्टन थिंग्स अबाउट family and everything. Because sometimes when we give that authority, or when we give that space of family to someone who has not given us the commitment or that surety or that security, that really disappoints us. Okay, so that kind of disappointed you, and you kind of decided to stay away, to stay in your own lane, and just work on yourself, work on your personality, work on your confidence, work on your career, probably all of that stuff. Okay, coming to the person's energy that you're dealing with, I think your person firstly, I think probably a person is getting few intuitive messages, or they are doing some tarot readings, or probably they are getting few readings or something of that sort, but they are seeking help of someone who is helping them, who is guiding them. And I think the more they get into this, more they realize what they have done. Okay, I also feel that earlier this person's throat chakra was completely blocked. Okay, and it was probably because of certain inner child issues and stuff like that, but now I see that this person's throat chakra is opening up. Okay, and at the same time, this person is also going to feel apologetic. ओके, इनके अंदर जो अपॉलोजी एंड फॉरगिवनेस वाली चीज़ है वो कहीं ना कहीं काफ़ी इंक्रीज हो रही है. सो दे माइट वांट टू आस्क फॉर फॉरगिवनेस फ्रॉम यू. दे विल सीक सम काइंड ऑफ फॉरगिवनेस फ्रॉम यू. That energy is also there. So I do see that this person is probably coming towards you, and he's going to, or she is going to end the contact, no contact situation very soon. And I think this person, with these realization, it's very important for this person to have a reasoning, to have an intellectual reasoning. तो वो चीज़ भी यहाँ पे कहीं ना कहीं होती हुई दिख रही है, which is making them more confident about this connection and about you. Okay, then we have the union energy. So universe is definitely going to give a chance to this relationship. Okay, so both of you will have a chance to choose each other, to choose this relationship over the another. Because and I do feel that there's going this entire relationship is a big wish come true for you. So this is also happening. Okay, for some I also have a feeling that if your person got married to someone else, because कुछ लोगों के लिए मुझे ऐसा भी लग रहा है that your person kind of ghosted you and they married someone else, or they chose their family over you, and that really gave you a tough time. So that thing is also happening, and I think this person is going to realize what they have done, and they are coming with some kind of apology, is what I see here. Okay, so सो जो भी आपकी विश थी वो कहीं ना कहीं पूरी तो होगी. काफ़ी लोगों के लिए मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है कि जो अगर आपके पार्टनर ऑलरेडी मैरिड हैं और एनीथिंग ऑफ दैट सॉर्ट, आई विल नॉट सजेस्ट यू टू get married to this person, even though this person is coming. But I think your wish was more about whether this person is going to regret or not, and that is happening. Okay, if this person is already married. But if you are in a no contact zone, both of you are not married or anything, तो वो फॉर्मर वाला रीडिंग अप्लाई होता है. एंड हियर आई डू फील दैट यूनिवर्स विल ब्रिंग अ सिचुएशन वेयर यू बोथ विल गेट द स्टेबिलिटी दैट यू वांट, दैट यू ऑलवेज डिजायर्ड. बट at the same time, obviously it's going to come at a cost. Okay, it's not of course I think इस person के साथ जो journey रही है वो ऐसी ही रही है that you both have gone through a lot, and especially the feminine energy regardless of the gender. Okay, but yeah, I think your wish will come true, but at the same time I don't know, I just feel that for some you might feel a bit stuck after this connection. Okay, so yeah, I think that is it. बट वो विश कम ट्रू तो होती हुई दिख रही है. 1 मिनट, यूनियन एनर्जीज़ में मुझे एक मैसेज और मिल रहा है, और वो कहीं ना कहीं मुझे ये भी चीज़ लग रही है दैट if this person chose money over you, so this time they're going to choose you. Okay, if they chose some kind of comfort or security over you, then this person is going to choose you. because काफ़ी लोगों के लिए मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है कि कोई comfort zone या financial factor भी रहा है when it comes to this wish come true of yours, when it comes to this wish fulfillment. So that is also there. Okay, I hope it helps. I'll see you next time.